Part 13 of Chapter 6. When Husamuddin had faithfully executed for 10 years as a just and wise steward all his duties as successor to Jalaluddin, he one day went with his companions and disciples to visit the shrine of his predecessor. As he drew near the mausoleum, information was brought to him that the gilt crescent surmounting the cupola had fallen down. On the moment, Husam felt himself to be stricken. He asked for an examination of dates to be made, and found that 10 years previously, Jalal departed this life. He therefore said to those around him, "Lead me back home. The time for my dissolution is at hand." He was conducted to his chamber, where a few days later, on Thursday, Thursday and Monday are the changing the guard days of the week, for the recording angels, but the 22nd of Shaban in the year 683 Al-Hijra, the 4th of November, 1284 of the Common Era, he breathed his last, exactly at that time when the gilt crescent was placed over Jalal's tomb and the works brought to a close.